In the year of 2011, the rainfall in Thailand spiked quite a bit compared to the previous years. From May to June, noticeable rainfall occurs and then will pick back up, peaking from October to November. In October of that year, it was found that there was actually a 35% increase in precipitation. The reason behind this was caused by the 5 tropical storms that occurred in this time period, on top of the fact that during this time of year in Thailand, the monsoon season is at its peak. In the past, Thailand had more land covered in forest and shrubbery, but unfortunately, a lot of deforestation happened. Forests help prevent flooding by preventing a straight downward flow. They prevented this since there were fallen over trees, branches, roots, and other plants that get in the way of the water. Deforestation contributes to the erosion of soil, leaving it soft and loose, which ends up in the bottom of waterways. When the soil ends up in the bottom of waterways, the water level rises, resulting in possible flooding. This has a higher chance of happening each year, as the sea level is rising annually, making it harder for the excess water to drain. Thailand consists of 76 provinces, and of those 76 provinces, 65 are flood zones. As a result of this, the 2011 floods impacted 4,039,459 households. 2,329 houses were completely destroyed, 96,833 were damaged, and 20,000 kilometers of farmland were damaged. Overall, 13,425,869 people were affected, with 657 people dead and 3 missing. Some affected areas were even left unattended by relief support groups, and this lack of resources resulted in the spread of diseases from temporary shelters. The economic cost from these floods was $45 billion, not even to mention the amount of people that became unemployed after factories and insurance companies shut down. This led to a very poor economy. In response to this disaster, communities in Thailand are working on further development of waterways, canals, dams, and water gates to control the water flow as well as distribution. To ensure Thailand is better prepared for flooding, the people are trying to reinforce pollution and deforestation laws in order to keep the drainage systems functional. If floods of this damage were to happen again, the people of Thailand also plan on being better prepared when it comes to being stocked up on food and water so they are not left struggling along with their community as they were in 2011.